Hello and welcome. If you're an internationally trained nurse, a midwife, or a mental health nurse, and you have the intentions to relocate and practice in the UK, or if you find yourself already in the UK and you want to be able to join the UK NMC so that you can practice in the UK, then the first thing you need to do is to create an account with the UK NMC. And so in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to be able to create an account with the UK NMC. Let me share my screen so that you can follow and be able to use this exact step-by-step guide to create your account with the UK NMC. So you can open your Google search bar, and once you type in UK NMC, you're going to see this page. The first website that you see is the official website of the UK NMC, and that is nmc.org.uk. So you can click on that, and then it's going to take you to this page. Once you come to this page, just check these titles up here and then locate the registration. So once you see registration, go down and then make sure you get to joining the register right after my NMC. So after you've created your account, my NMC is going to be your login portal. But before you get there, you need to click on joining the register, and then it's going to take you to this page. Joining the register, there are different ways to apply for the registration depending on which part of the register you want to join and where you are trained. And so that should inform you that we have this link for those who want to register or who want to join the register as a nurse or a midwife, and then for those who want to join the register as a nurse and associate. So these are two separate links. If you're a nurse or a midwife, you're going to select this one. If you are a nurse and associate, you're going to select this one. But for the sake of this video, let's use this link. Before we click on any of these links, you may be wondering who are those who are allowed to join as a nurse, and then who are those who are allowed to join as nurse and associate. If you have been trained in your home country as a registered general nurse, or if you have a degree in nursing, then you are going to join the UK NMC register as a nurse. And if you have a diploma or a degree in midwifery, you're going to use this first link. However, if you hold a certificate in nursing assistant clinicals, or if you're an enrolled nurse, then you are going to join the UK NMC register as a nursing associate. So that is the difference between which of these links or which of the roles you are going to join the UK NMC register. And for those who have diploma in community health nursing, you are also going to join the UK NMC register using this first link, register as a nurse. But when you scroll down a bit, you're going to see test of competence, English language requirements, health and character, ID check process and requirements, professional indemnity, registration appeals, and then enforceably displaced persons. So these are some links that is going to be relevant to you after you've created your account. So let's first go through register as a nurse or a midwife. And when you get to this page, you're going to see register as a nurse or a midwife, trained in the UK, trained outside the UK, EU, EEA applications, and then Swiss applications. And so you need to select trained outside the UK. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page. Register as a nurse or a midwife if you trained outside the UK. And for this page, they have a checklist here that you can click on that to just answer some few questions to see if you are ready to be able to join the UK NMC register. So when you click on that, this checklist will be asking you a series of questions for you to answer to see if you are indeed ready to join the UK NMC register. And then you can also use this page, this link, to find out how to join the register. So let's click on that. So when you get here, you're going to see register as a nurse or a midwife if trained outside the UK step by step. And the first step is check you are ready to register. So you can click on either of these links to check or to find out how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take, how to prepare your evidence. You can click on any of these links. The next one is complete eligibility and qualification application. I'm going to make a separate video on this one, and then take the test of competence and then complete registration application, evaluating your application. So this is the step-by-step process that you are going to follow to complete your registration of joining the UK NMC register. But when you get to this second step, you can see that we have begin your application. So you click on begin your application. application, and then it's going to bring you to this page. Before you start, you need to read this guide in full to understand the evidence you need to support your application. This link is going to guide you on what evidence you need to prepare to continue with your application. This is what you are going to see when you click on provide identity evidence. This is what you're going to need for your application process. So you will need to enter your passport details so you can get your passport ready, and then you would need to upload a copy of your passport as well. So if you don't have a soft copy, you need to make a soft copy of it, and then ensure that if the name is different from the one in the passport, you provide something that is going to justify. So basically, this is what you're going to need to create your account with the UK NMC. Now let's go back to the initial page, which is the begin your application. Right, so when you get here, you just click on start application, and then this is what you're going to see. And then please select the country you trained in, because you already mentioned that you are trained outside of the UK, so Ghana. Before you click on next, make sure you select this part, I have not been issued with an NMC pin, and then you click on next, and then you are going to be asked to sign up to the register. Your ancestors, you are using the right route to get on our register, so you can take some time and then read through this, and then you click on submit. And now you're going to be taken to this page where you need to type your email address, you need to type your password, confirm a new password, your name that you want, your display name, that is your full name. So your display name could also be the same as your first name, but the given name is going to be your first name and then the surname, and then you click on continue. So if you have been wondering how to create your UK NMC account, then there you are. You need to follow the step-by-step guide and then create your NMC account. For those who are going to join the register as nursing associates, you see the page that we got to that was asking either you want to join as a nurse or a midwife, and then the other link that was asking if you want to join as a nursing associate. You click on that, and it is going to be the same step-by-step process for you to create your account. I hope this helps. Don't forget to leave some few likes, and don't forget to follow this page for more. See you in the next one.